Hi, my name is Vijay Kumar. I'm 47 years old. I'm from Hyderabad. I used to work for a company called Liquid Hub uh, till 2017 July, and I left the company and joined uh, to pursue the course called Newfield Asia Ontological Coaching. And after which, I came into contact with Uday Khedkar, who suggested me to go through Who Am I program at Kryon Wisdom Centre. And I came here. Before I came here, I just came in because he told me to. I trusted him. But what I didn't have a lot of expectations. But after I came in here and 1 week of workshops and the kind of things that we went through, I experienced were really amazing and gave me a lot of insights into myself and cleared a lot of incompletions that I had throughout the years. And now I see a fresh look I have for life, and uh, I'm so happy to be here at Wisdom Center, and I thank all of them.